Gina G ka na bang mas makilala pa ang mga gaganap sa The Rain in España? Hindi ka nag-iisa dahil same. But first, let's take a quick refresher and meet the cast and the characters they're going to portray. Let's G! Book 1, The Rain in España. Makikilala natin si Luis Natasha Valeria portrayed by Heaven, an architecture student. She cares about her studies and maintains her high grades pero kahit subsob sa pag-aaral ay hindi pa rin niya nakakalimutan magwalwal kasama ang solid niyang mga kaibigan. Let's meet Kara Zaylin Inares, nabibigyang buhay ni Nicole, ang pinsan or best friend ni Luna, who's also taking up an architecture course. A very caring individual who is open-minded and accepting of others. She's not afraid to voice her opinion. That's our girl Kara. Andyan din si Aviana Via Rai Diaz, played by Bea. She's also an Archie student, the mediator of the group. She's responsible for making sure everyone gets along well. Hi, imagine having a friend like Via. Then we meet Ashiana Yana Kim Fernandez, nagagampanan ni Krisha, a tourism student. The wildest among Luna's friends. Basta masaganang pechay, masaganang buhay, is her life motto. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang mahilig manlibre na si Samantha Maureen Sam Vera, a communication student played by Aubrey. The social butterfly of the Barkada who came from a rich family, ang model at fashionista sa magbabarkada. At kung may mahilig manlibre sa tropa, syempre meron ding buraot na mahilig magpalibre. Siya si Sebastian Vincent Sevi Camero, taking up engineering portrayed by Gab, ang campus crush ng bayan. Sikreto lang pero alam nyo ba? May low-key crush siya kay Luns, hasta Luna.
Uy, wag ka nga nang bubuking, Guay. Secret lang yun eh.
Ay, sorry Sevi. Moving on, we meet Luna's crush.
Uy, Guay, ano ba?
Calix Jace Martinez, a breathtakingly good-looking guy who is rich and smart. He has a mysterious vibe and is a man of few words. He's a 10 pero masungit. His friends are Amethyst Alvarez, played by Gabby, one of Calix's family friends and classmates. She is also rich, pretty, and smart. Then we meet Adonis, portrayed by Andre, a funny guy who always teases Calix and Luna. Ang nang-reject kay Sam. Hay nako Adi, Sam na yun no? Char. Isa rin sa mga tropa ni Calix si Leo, a joker just like Adonis. And lastly, ang panggigigilan nating character, Miguel Villaflor, nagagampanan ni Francis. And there you have it! Ang mga characters na magpapakilig, magpapatawa, magpapaiyak, at marami pang iba sa Book 1, The Rain in España.